Hello. I can hear with my ear. I can hear with my ear. Today we are going to talk about sounds. Look what we've got here. It's raining. Rain. The sea, the sound of the sea. Drilling. Drrrr. The woman is laughing. The bell is ringing. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. The baby is crying. The mosquito is buzzing. Bzzz. Some sounds are pleasant and some of them are unpleasant. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound. What sound is it? Is it the baby? No, it's not the baby. Is it the woman laughing? No. The drill is working, yes? The drill is drilling, yeah? Yes, this one. Tell me please, is this sound pleasant or unpleasant? If the sound is pleasant, draw a happy face here. If the sound is unpleasant, draw a sad face here. I think this sound is quite unpleasant. I'm going to draw a sad face here. The sound is unpleasant for me. Okay, next sound. Listen with your ear. What is it? What does this sound like? Is it the mosquito? No. Is it a baby crying? No. Is it the bell ringing? No. Is it the woman laughing? No. Is it the drill working? No. Is it the rain? No. The sea, yes? It's the sound of the sea. Listen. Yes, the sea. Tell me please, is this sound pleasant or unpleasant for you? If this sound is pleasant, draw a happy face. If the sound is unpleasant, draw a sad face here. I think this sound is pretty good and pleasant. I'm going to draw a happy face here.